Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is x plus y equals 6 and the product of xy equals 6. You have to find the value of x and y. So how we will start solving this question? First of all, we will consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now from equation 1 we get x plus y equals 6 and the value of x will be 6 minus y and put this in 2. So we have xy equals 6. In place of x, we will substitute its value, that is 6 minus y. In place of y, we will substitute its value, that equals 6. Now we will multiply both of them. Y into 6 is 6y minus y square equals 6. So this will become y square plus 6y minus 6y plus 6 equals 0. Now what we will do, we will solve this as apply the quadratic formula in this. So we get the values as y equals minus b. Here the a is 1, b is minus 6 and the c is 6. Minus b means 6, plus minus b square is 6 square, minus 4 of ac, a is 1 and c is 6, divided by 2. So y equals 6 plus minus 6 square, we will take 6 as common. Remaining will be 6 square minus 24, 6 minus 4 divided by 2. So this will become equals 12. So y equals 6. We will get this as 6 plus minus root of 6 into 2 divided by 2. So what will it become? We will write this here, that y equals 6 plus minus root 12 divided by 2. So y equals 6 plus minus 4 multiply 3 means 3 root 2 root 3 divided by 2. So what will be the answer? We will get, when divide this and get as y equals 6 and the plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which gives us y equals 3 plus minus root 3. Now what will be the value of x? X is 6 minus y. So 6 minus y is 3 plus minus root 3. So x is 6 minus 3 plus minus is minus plus root 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So this will be the final answer. Now we will write this here in the order pair form, that what will be the value of x and y. So answer is, we have 3 minus plus root 3 and the 3 plus minus root 3. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.